Good evening, Akhil. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Akhil, a brief about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Akhil Goyal. I live in Pithora, Chhattisgarh. I am a recently qualified cost and management accountant. I did my schooling from St. Francis English Medium School. I did my graduation from Raipur University. I did my practical training from Jain Suran and Company, a CA firm, where I did have exposure working in income tax return filings, concurrent audit of various banks, including Canara Bank, IDBI Bank, Indian Bank, UCO Bank. Apart from this, I also worked at Goyal Consulting Company, where I did have exposure working in expense management, vouching and verification, GST registration. And my interest includes playing cricket and esports.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, during your articleship, you did vouching and verification. What is the difference between that?
Vouching and verification.
Yeah.
Sir, vouching is generally the bills which are maintained at the company, and while the audit process is done, the verification of the vouchers are made.
Are you sure this is the thing?
Yes, that's right, what I can recall.
Are
right
you
now.
confident about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, you did data aging as well. What is that?
Sir, in data ranging, the analysis of data are made according to the number of days for knowing the debtors who are being who have not paid the dues from a long time. Generally, it is made for less than 90 days, 90 to 180 days, and 180 to 270 days, and 270 to 365 days, and more than 365 days.
Okay. What we can do if we find any long age data?
Sir, generally I have done in a CA firm where I have reported to the senior, and he told me that there was due to quality issues, the data was not being aged, which was 365 days and above.
Okay. What we can do if we find any long age data?
Sir, generally I used to report to my senior, he used to look into the matter,
Okay.
was the internal audit.
Okay. Okay. You know SAP Basic as well?
Yes, in my intermediate training I have learned about SAP.
What is park and post system in SAP?
Sir, parking is used to pass the entry which is saved as a document. Is it not posted in the general ledger? And posting is generally done later after verification is done. The general entry is posted in the general ledger at
Okay.
posting key.
Okay. How we can pass a journal entry? What is the T code?
Sir, for parking the general entry we use F-02 or FB50, and for parking for posting it we use FBVO,
Okay.
and for
Good.
display purpose we use FB03.
Okay. Good. Just tell me about the marginal costing. That how we make decision under marginal costing system.
Sir, marginal costing we use variable cost, from where we can know the costing relating to each segments, from which we can use relating to if material cost is there, we can reduce the cost using the material.
How we take decisions.
Sir, decisions are taken based on the cost. The fixed costs are recovered in marginal cost, and from the remaining variable cost we can use it for decision making purpose.
What is the difference between marginal and absorption costing?
Some marginal costing is used as variable cost, whereas in absorption costing, fixed cost and variable cost both are considered in decision making. It
Okay.
is basically on cost per unit.
Okay.
Okay, Akhil, tell me three positive things about yourself that you like most about yours.
Ma'am, I am a self-reliant person. I am focused and I am disciplined. As I came out of my city for studies of CMA, where I am self-reliant. As I came out of my city, I learned with new cultures and workings, and I am disciplined as I have managed my CMA profession as well as my graduation simultaneously. And I have cleared my CMA in first attempt, which shows I am focused
Okay.
towards my goal.
Okay, Akhil, you have mentioned that you are effective time manager.
Yes,
So how you can call yourself as an effective time manager? Can you give me any example or case?
Yes, ma'am. During my articleship experience, I have worked where in my practical training concurrent audits and various audits are there for which deadlines are maintained. Like in Canara Bank, we have 10th of next month which we have to complete the audit, and in Indian Bank it is 7th of month. So with duration of time we have to complete that audits, and I have managed them completing in time. And apart from that, in my practical training with my studies, I have managed both the things simultaneously. Accordingly, with graduation also I have managed three of them.
Okay. And you also have mentioned that you have teamwork quality and leadership quality.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give me any example?
Yes, ma'am. In my practical training only, I have there were 4 banks under the firm CA firm, where I have worked as a intern under a team leader who has managed all the 4 banks. And after the 3 months of working, I was also I also got an opportunity to work as a team leader, where I was managing all 4 of them banks, and under me there were members who were working under me. So accordingly, the with time, dates, and dues, all the audits were completed.
Okay. So if we will place you any remote area where no theater, no, you don't have any your private life, that you cannot enjoy your weekends. So are you comfortable there or not?
Yes, ma'am. Initially, I am looking to learn and grow as a professional, where I will be looking to opportunity to work and get exposure. In initial years, I am ready to relocate to remote areas also, as I belong to remote area only. I am ready to relocate.
Okay, Akhil, thank you.
Akhil, how many marks scored in BCom examination
Sir, 1293 in total.
and in 12th class?
In 12th, 417 marks
Okay.
out of 500.
Okay. What is difference between normal loss and abnormal loss, and what is the accounting treatment?
Sir, normal loss is generally the loss which is in total cost. We take normal cost also in calculating the total cost of the product. We take the cost of normal cost is also included in that, and abnormal cost is not included in the cost of product, and it is abnormal in nature.
Okay. What is difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement?
Sir, cash flow statement is a part of financial statement, and cash flows fund flow statement is shows us change in working capital, whereas cash flow statement is a part of financial statement, and it shows the cash flow workings of the company.
Okay. And what is the difference between free cash flow to firm and free cash flow to equity?
Sir, free cash flow to firm means leaving the investors of equity. Rest all are calculated in free cash flow to firm, and in free cash flow to equity, the equity holders cash flow from equity holders are considered in free cash flow from equity.
Okay. Okay. Akhil, tell me what are the blocked credits under GST?
Sir, one is motor vehicle under less than 13 or equal to or less than 13 capacity, and there are exemptions to the traveling ones imparting trainings, and further sale motor vehicles are exempted from that, and restaurant and catering services are also there, in which also are considered, and aeroplane and vessels are also considered, in which exemptions are provided to the imparting training ones, or for courier services we are using it, or for traveling purposes aeroplanes and vessels are used, they are exempted from it. And insurance and banking services are also there, in which also exemptions are provided to the vehicles or which are being used for insurance services.
Okay. Tell me what is reversal of credit under GST?
Sir, if we have taken ITC claim, we have to, if within 180 days, if the bills are not uploaded within 180 days, then we have to reverse the ITC claim which we have taken. If the
Bill is not uploaded.
Sir, means if if the bill has been not uploaded on the GST portal, the ITC claim has been made, then.
Okay. What if we sell a machinery after 2 years of purchase
Can I
under
take a minute, sir?
GST? Treatment under GST, yes.
Sir, if ITC has been claimed on that machinery, If ITC is not claimed in under that, the 5% per quarter is reduced, and afterwards the remaining amount is being claimed under this.
ओके, चलिए फीडबैक पार्ट के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं आपके। आंसर पिचिंग मतलब लैंग्वेज वाइज तो ठीक है, कोई ऐसा सच इशू नहीं है जो आप कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं उसमें, लेकिन टेक्निकल के कुछ आंसर्स में इशू है, कुछ अच्छे भी है आपके। ठीक है, वाउचिंग एंड वेरिफिकेशन का आंसर सही से नहीं दिया आपने, तो उस पर वर्कआउट करना है। डेटर एजिंग ठीक है आपने बता दिया, और ऐसे भी बेसिक अच्छा बताया आपने, टी कोड बता दिया। मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग में डिसीजन कंट्रीब्यूशन पर की फैक्टर के अकॉर्डिंग लिया जाता है, तो ये आपने गलत बताया। मार्जिनल एब्जॉर्प्शन आपने सही बता दिया, और ब्लॉक्ड क्रेडिट भी आपने ठीक बता दिए। रिवर्सल ऑफ क्रेडिट का मतलब ये होता है कि आपको असेट वाला ही एग्जांपल देना, तो कोई असेट है हमने आईटीसी ले रखा है और उसको सेल कर दिया, तो वी नीड टू रिवर्स दैट आईटीसी। और अगर हमने क्रेडिट परचेज करी है और विद इन 180 डेज पेमेंट नहीं करा है, तो भी हमें आईटीसी रिवर्स करना होता है। इनवॉइस अपलोड का कुछ नहीं है उसमें, क्रेडिट परचेज। और मशीनरी में 18 सबसेक्शन 6 लगेगा, 5% पर क्वार्टर की रिडक्शन करने के बाद जो वैल्यू बचती है, और सेल वैल्यू पर जो जीएसटी बन रहा है सेकेंड हैंड की, विच एवर इज़ हायर। ठीक है, तो ये वर्क करना है। और कुछ सर? चलिए, बाकी ओवरऑल अच्छा है आपका, कोई ऐसे सच प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ऑल दी वेरी बेस्ट।
थैंक यू।